There's a kind of wealth most people never notice, not because it's hidden, but because it doesn't need attention. It doesn't post on Instagram. It doesn't pull up in a flashy car. It doesn't wear a designer watch to prove a point. It just exists, quietly, steadily, powerfully. And in a world where everyone's trying to look successful, that alone gives it an edge. Because while most people are busy chasing status, quietly, wealthy people are busy building freedom, and that changes everything. Most people misunderstand quiet wealth. They think it means being cheap, or never enjoying life, or cutting out everything fun. But that's not it. Quiet wealth is not about deprivation. It's about not needing other people's approval to feel like you've made it. And honestly, that's harder than it sounds, because most of us were raised to believe success has to be visible. A bigger house, a newer car, a luxury vacation, a closet full of expensive things. We were taught that if people can see it, it counts. So people spend years buying things to prove something to people who are too busy proving something to somebody else to even notice. That's the trap. And the crazy part is, most people don't even realize they're in it. But the quietly wealthy see money differently. They understand something simple: status is rented. You keep paying for it, month after month, year after year. And the second you stop paying, it disappears. Real wealth is different. Real wealth compounds, it grows, it works in the background, and it gives you something status never can. Options. The option to leave a job you hate, the option to help someone you love, the option to say no without panic. That's what quiet wealth really feels like. Not loud, not flashy, but incredibly powerful when it matters most. Here's the shift most people never make. Most people see money as something to spend, a reward for working hard, a reason to upgrade, a way to signal that life is good. But the quietly wealthy see money as a tool, not to impress, to build. Every dollar that doesn't go toward looking rich goes toward becoming free. And that's the real secret. It's not about making more, it's about keeping more, because keeping more is what creates real freedom. Think about two people, same income, same city, same opportunities. One of them upgrades every time their income goes up. New car, bigger apartment, better clothes, more expensive everything. They look successful, but 10 years later, they're still one bad month away from stress. The other person keeps life simple. They invest the difference. They stay consistent. Nobody claps for them. Nobody posts about them. But 10 years later, they have choices the first person doesn't. That's the quiet wealth mindset. It's not about what you show, it's about what you build. And building takes patience, it takes discipline, it takes the ability to live with an unimpressive present because you're committed to a powerful future. That's uncomfortable because human beings want instant proof. We want the reward now. We want people to notice. We want validation right away. But quiet wealth takes a different kind of strength. The less you need people to notice your money, the more your money can actually grow. Because once you stop spending to impress people, you start making smarter decisions, calmer decisions, more logical decisions. And those are the decisions that compound. That's the real power of quiet wealth. Not just the money, but the mindset behind it. The patience to wait, the discipline to delay, the confidence to be misunderstood, the strength to build something that doesn't need applause yet. And here's the part people don't expect. Quiet wealth isn't a smaller life, it's a freer one, because you're no longer trapped by the image of success. You're building the reality of it. So ask yourself this: how much of what you spend is actually building your future? and how much of it is just buying somebody else's opinion of your present, because the answer to that question might change the way you think about money forever. If this made you see money differently, subscribe for more videos on wealth, mindset, and financial freedom.